Hi, my name is Amy DiMouro, and this is Enhancing Student Learning with AI. So SVU has some challenges. The ones I'm going to address in this is delays in support, lack of personalized learning, and limited engagement. So the Nectar AI Assistant can enhance learning through innovative technology. It can provide a platform for faculty to easily upload lecture notes and resources, giving students round-the-clock access to essential learning materials. So I've decided to create a tutoring assistant. This gives students the benefits of 24/7 tutoring, anytime access, personalized learning, and enhanced engagement. So specifically, we're going to take a look at college algebra and a personalized learning experience for college algebra. Okay, so here we go. You can go ahead and go into this college algebra AI, and you can ask it a question. Let's take a look. So in this case, I asked it to help me. Can you help me solve a rational equation? And then it went ahead and asked me a question. If we move forward, we see that after I answer the question, it goes through step by step and tells me how to solve a rational equation step by step. Now, I've also set up this AI to adjust the question. So if I enter a specific equation, it will not just give me the answer to that equation, it will choose a different similar equation. Moving forward, this can be done not just for algebra, but for every course. Each course can have an assistant unique to that course available to students for out-of-office questions and tutoring. So how would I introduce it? I would start with the pilot program small scale. Usually I would recommend the gen eds in the lower division classes because there are more students in need. Then we would do demonstration sessions, and then we would have some feedback mechanisms. So faculty buy-in focuses for me are going to be control over AI content, FERPA compliance assurance, and time-saving benefits. For student buy-in, we're going to look at access to resources, virtual tutoring availability, and again, protection of student information. These are some steps. So the step one would be upload the course material. Step two, analyzing AI, analyzing the content. Step three, which for me is one of the more important ones, is a faculty review and AI generated responses for accuracy. Finally, with step four, we continue the iterative process with continuous feedback. The rollout, so we would pilot it using a few select classes. This should go through July 31st. Then we would roll out using a wider range of classes. Again, I would recommend starting with lower division. I think those are the students that would be impacted the most. That would end in October 31st, and then school-wide should be by the end of May 2026. We will measure success using analytics with student engagement and comparing that with student outcomes. And then, of course, surveys. We always want to survey and make sure that our technology is accessible. Looking forward, the Nectar IO tutoring assistants aren't the only thing that it can do. Imagine having an AI assistant to grade tests and quizzes and an AI assistant to role play scenarios with students. So some suggested innovations, something I noticed in this that would be a hindrance to some students. It would be beneficial for students to have a speech to text interface so that students without the ability to type or even to see can also use an AI assistant to improve their coursework. Thank you so much. Have a great day.